Hi. So we have just learned how to use a weird web to describe dinosaurs. So moving on from that, we will be doing another activity based on dinosaurs. But before we get into that, let's see about some questions to ask. Now, these questions I'm going to ask is not based on the dinosaurs, but we can use these answers from these questions to form sentences that will help us with this exercise based on the dinosaurs. So, for starters, let's talk about pets. Do you have any pets at home? Please show hands if you do. Gabrielle. Ah, fish. What kind of fish do you have? Goldfish. Okay. Now, what can you tell me about your goldfish? What do you like about your goldfish? It's pretty. Okay. Anything else can you say about your goldfish? It swims nicely. All right, that's pretty good. Now, anyone else can add to that. Mark, you have a parrot. Okay. And what do you like about your parrot, Mark? You like how green it is. Ah, can your parrot speak? Yeah? What words can it say? Ah, it can say hello. Okay, that's good. So, Mark has a parrot that can says hello. What do you like about it? It keeps you company. Okay, so that's a really good thing to look at because it can help you create your sentences. So, Mark has a parrot. He likes the parrot because it can speak and it keeps him company. So, in our class today, what's going to happen is that you're going to be looking at these names here on the board about these dinosaurs. And what you're going to do is that you're going to figure out what you like about these dinosaurs. So the same way how Mark said that his parrot keeps him company and he likes that, you're going to basically look for an image of these dinosaurs. Now, the tricky part about it is that, yes, these are just words. There's no images here. There's no printout of these images. So how are we going to go about looking for how or what we like about these dinosaurs? So the activity basically is that we are going to be using our computers and we're going to be searching for the dinosaur names. And these are some of the names here. I'll go over them in a bit. And what you're going to be doing is that you'll search each name, each individual name, and you'll look at each image. So let's go over the names. So there's Brachiosaurus, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Triceratops, Pteranodon, and Velociraptor. Now, all these dinosaurs were based in our reading. So, what it is that you will search for each one of these names using Google and you'll look at each image very briefly, not too long, and then you're going to observe them and decide which one of them is your favorite. So, for example, my favorite out of this list would be Brachiosaurus. Why do I like Brachiosaurus? Brachiosaurus had a very long neck. It was very huge, very, very big. So big that it was big, bigger than a giraffe, bigger than an elephant, and it was like a really huge creature with a really long neck and a really long tail. Now, what it is for a sentence that I can create with us is that Brachiosaurus had a very long neck. Or what do I like about it? I like the fact that Brachiosaurus had a long neck. Or I like Brachiosaurus because they were really, really big. So you're going to search again. You're going to search each one of the names of these dinosaurs, look at the image online, and then you're going to write two sentences that says what you like about the dinosaur and just one dinosaur. You don't need to do each one of them. You just need to do one dinosaur. So after you have finished this, please keep in mind that for your homework, you'll be doing a summary based on chapter 1 of the reading that we have done before. Is there any questions that anyone probably didn't understand? Maria? No, you do not need to save the image of the dinosaur, but if anyone do want to save it, you can save the image to my pictures on the computer. So that if you need to look over the picture again, you can do so, but the picture will already be on your screen when you will be writing down the answer to what you like about the dinosaur. So you don't necessarily need to save it, but you can save it if you choose to. So that's basically the lesson for this activity. Two sentences from one of these names. Enjoy.